item donated by Longworth Antiques and Marketplace in the silent auction. A framed original painting by American artist Thomas Matthew Steele. Basic spray tan from Tootsie. Wooden table from Uprooted Junk. 2-drawer writing desk donated by King Great Cabinet. Rooster painting generously donated. Half-day quill hunt donated by J. Reynolds and Marengo Insurance Agency. The silent auction starts Saturday at 5:30 p.m. at Line Hall. The live auction starts at 8:30 and it will also be held at Line Hall. Make sure to join us for Rooster Day 2017.